till these two golden years of our life, class plus one and two, time never comes back. But whatever has happened. That 1 year is gone now. If you did not take online education seriously, only you are the loser. Sooner or later, you have to earn your marks. It may not be the same way we all would have expected to enter plus one. Many of you would have definitely thought that you will appear in exams and you will score good marks, and based on that you will be promoted to class plus one. Your teachers tried their level best to keep you up to date in terms of knowledge. What was unfortunate is that senior students somehow did not take the classes seriously. It's a general trend which was felt across India. When it came to attending the classes, when the classes were online, many students had simply logged into the online classes with their videos switched off. The teachers were not able to find out whether they were attentive or not. And unfortunately, many students were actually not attentive. Just by logging in and having the video off, they were busy and engaged in something else than studies, which was actually very non-serious at their end. You know why? Because when CBSE decided to conduct the exams physically, majority of the students of 10th and 12th opposed that. They were not ready for those exams. I had posted one video of Dr. Sanyam Bhardwaj, who is controller of examinations of Central Board of Secondary Education. When he announced that we are going to conduct the exams physically in schools, under that video on my channel itself, there are hundreds of comments by the students where they were requesting him, pleading him not to conduct physical exams. Majority of the students were requesting to promote them without exams. What has actually happened now? The second majority were requesting to conduct online exams. And the third majority was requesting to conduct exams in self-centers, mean their own schools. They were scared of appearing in exams. They were scared that if exams will be conducted physically, they will not be able to score good marks. They were scared that if the exams will be conducted at other schools, different board centers, they will not be able to secure good marks. You know why? Because they were not serious during their online classes. And now when the board has cancelled the exams of 10th standard, still there are many students who are writing such comments on social media that please do not consider the marks of pre-board exams for deciding our result. Board has not come up with the criteria yet on which they are going to decide the result. But the students are worried that if our pre-board marks will be considered, then they will lose marks. I'm talking about those two students whose schools were opened, like in Punjab, and who came to school and who wrote pre-board exams. Because when you wrote your practice tests, at that time the exams were online. So many of the students across India did not behave honestly and they did not write the exams honestly. So they scored good marks. But when the schools were opened and the students came to school and wrote their pre-board, the results were not as good as PT. So that is the reason the students are now requesting CBSE, through various sources, they are trying to request not to include the pre-board marks while calculating the results. Why am I sharing all this with you is just to let you know that how much your non-seriousness can cost you when it comes to attending the online classes. For how many years students can keep requesting the board to promote them without conducting exams? For how many years you will expect that exams should be only online or at the self centers? It is not going to happen every year, beta. Sooner or later, you have to earn your marks. You have to write your exams and pass based on your performance in the written exams. So whatever has happened. That 1 year is gone now. If you did not take online education seriously, only you are the losers, because you did not get that knowledge which was required by you, which you are going to use in +1 class now. But still, I believe in present. I'm a very positive thinker. Like I said, whatever has gone. That cannot return now. Time never comes back. But what we have in our hands is present. If we become serious in present, if we do not repeat the mistake which we committed in the past session, if we become serious for attending the online classes, if we study seriously, whether it is online or offline, still these 2 golden years of our life, class +1 and 2, are more than enough to give a very good shape to our career. Nothing is lost. You still have time in your hands. Study seriously. Listen to your teachers. Never miss any online class. You remember the famous story of Eklavya from Mahabharata? I hope you all must have heard about Eklavya, na? He wanted the education, the knowledge of archery from Guru Dronacharya. But Guru Dronacharya did not teach him. So on his own, he made a statue of Guru Dronacharya, and imagining that Guru is teaching me, learnt the art of archery better than Arjun, who was being actually taught by Dronacharya. That is the level of commitment which is expected from a student. If a student in those days, when there was no internet, when there was no Google, no YouTube, could learn just from a statue and be better than a student who was getting proper education, why can't you people do it now when you have all the resources with you? You have your teachers to teach you. You have the books in your hand. You have the internet, Google, YouTube, everything with you. What is missing is seriousness. So if you just become serious about your studies, about your future, about your career, nobody can stop you from scoring better marks and performing in exams. And if you will follow what I'm saying, none of you will be requesting the board to either cancel exams or postpone exams or conduct online exams in future ever, because you will be ready to face the exams. You will say, we have learned and studied hard throughout the session. Conduct exams in whatever way you want. We are ready for that. I believe that you will follow this also. You will be serious for your studies. so that you don't have to beg and plead for your promotion. You will earn your promotion. You will earn your percentage, right? Thank you very much and welcome to Plus One.